So now we come finally to the interlocking tiles. As you must be knowing, and definitely you must have seen, all of you must have seen, that by the Nagar Nikam in your localities, in your bylanes and lanes next to your residences, these tiles are being provided, and they are known as interlocking pavement tiles. When you take the word pavement into consideration, it means the top surface of the road or the footpath, or it could be an embankment. Embankment meaning somewhere where there is a river and the top part is also provided with it. So it's basically used for road. Now the advantage over there is that it avoids cracks. It doesn't provide cracks on the road like you normally see in the rainy season, that after there is heavy rain, we find that there is cracks in the roads, especially the bitumen roads. And then the other factor that comes into consideration is the thermal expansion. It doesn't have thermal expansion. As you know, that there is a variation of temperature in most of the part of the country, especially the Deccan Plateau in which locality we live in. So there is a variation of a lot of temperature. So it doesn't have thermal expansion, and it can even withstand it if there is any. And then the final thing is this: it doesn't require curing. Like whenever we have anything made out of concrete, or we use cement in particular, we have to use water to. So then we come with the perspective of the manufacturer. It is a very cheaper option, and it can sustain is sustainable, and it has very few tiles per square meter. This is, of course, you can think in the way, like if you have a 1 square foot, for example, tile, and in a meter, as you know, it will require about 10 square foot roughly. So meaning that you will need about 10 tiles per square meter. Another important factor is that in the interlocking tiles, it does not require any material to